In fact, amidst the outrage over this Unnao order which has come in, there is another insensitive comment coming in from a UP Mantri who says when the courts have imposed condition, what is the need to hold a protest? He questions the rape survivor as well. Listen in to Uttar Pradesh's Minister O.P. Rajbhar, where he says that the Delhi court has already stated that Sengar must stay 5 kilometers away from the victim's home. Why hold a protest?
कोर्ट ने इस बात को कहा है कि सेंगर जी पीड़ित परिवार से 5 किलोमीटर दूर रहेंगे, ऐसा कोर्ट का निर्देश है। तो दिल्ली में धरना देने से पुलिस ने जब उनको कहा कि अब कोर्ट ने जब इस तरह की व्यवस्था दिया है तो आप असुरक्षित कहाँ हैं?
Well, in fact, let me go across to Kritika. Kritika, many are saying that it's appalling. That this was allowed to happen to a young girl in Unnao. But now she's being betrayed yet again, especially when statements like this coming out. What's the need to protest?
What's the need to protest? How is she unsafe when the court has already directed Sengar to be 5 kilometers away? We can already see that there is the affiliation that Minister O.P. Rajbhar has for Kuldeep Sengar through statements of this sort as well. He's referring to him as a G. Remember, there has been a lot of allegations about how political power, BJP connections were also used. The names of Vibhushan Singh has also been bounced around a lot as far as this particular case is also concerned. And currently as well, if we just go back and look at the judgment too, it is the technicality of the public servant. Mr. Kuldeep Singh Sengar was an MLA then. So he was in a position of power, and that is when all of these instances, there has been rape, there has been repeated assaults as well, there has been murder, there has been stalking as well as intimidation of witnesses, because of which a lot of them were currently having the protection of CRPF as advocated for by the CBI itself. So we are seeing that even after such a judgment, which is getting the ire of people, whether it on social media or on the streets as well, insensitive statements of this sort are being made by previous affiliates of Sengar. Over to you.
Well, in fact, do stay on with us. Let's listen in once again to what Uttar Pradesh's Mantri O.P. Rajbhar has to say. Two questions he raises, not for Sengar, not about the order, but to the victim. Why go out and protest against the High Court's order? And second, what threat do you really face from Sengar? Listen in to this extent of insensitivity shown.
कोर्ट ने इस बात को कहा है कि सेंगर जी पीड़ित परिवार से 5 किलोमीटर दूर रहेंगे, ऐसा कोर्ट का निर्देश है। तो दिल्ली में धरना देने से पुलिस ने जब उनको कहा कि अब कोर्ट ने जब इस तरह की व्यवस्था दिया है तो आप असुरक्षित कहाँ हैं? कोर्ट ने इस बात को कहा है कि सेंगर जी पीड़ित परिवार से 5 किलोमीटर दूर रहेंगे, ऐसा कोर्ट का निर्देश है। तो दिल्ली में धरना देने से पुलिस ने जब उनको कहा कि अब कोर्ट ने जब इस तरह की व्यवस्था दिया है तो आप असुरक्षित कहाँ हैं?
Well, this is going to be one of the top focus stories here on Times Now. But for the time being, let's move on in the bulletin. Tell you how ahead of the crucial BMC polls, Thackeray cousins have now come together. That's